Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this video. I wasn't expecting to make a second one when somebody's already asked the question, how did he, which is the person that sent me the first file, make this? And I actually made these two, so I know exactly how to do it. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate while holding down the Shift. I'm going to select this and bring it in to give it just a little bit of a flare. So now there's only 2 of these, or 4, so it's divided by 90 degrees, so I'm going to make a line, but I'm going to rotate this guy 45 degrees. And then I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and mirror it the other way. So now I've got a shape that is 90 degrees of the item. Now, I always move this out of the way. You know, you can take these lines away by right-clicking no lines, but they're really kind of still there and they might get in your way. So if you just select everything and hit delete, because we don't really need them anymore, it doesn't matter what we do with this. We're going to Control D and make a duplicate. We're going to make the other one blue, but then we're actually going to take the first one and flip it. And then we're going to take this one and flip it. And then we're going to rotate it 90 degrees. It'll rotate on itself. So now all you have to do is just have it snap to these items. Now, this is kind of the cool deal. Control D and make a duplicate and mirror it both directions. And you get those items. I always make sure I didn't mess up and have 2 copies. But that way you have just one single copy because you mirrored it. And then to do what we did in the first video is you just take away the color and take away those lines. And the reason this does not work, and I might make a third video and make it a 5-sided, because on a 5-sided or a 3-sided, you're going to be able to get them in front of the other ones as it goes around. But anyway, I hope that answered that person's question. Thank you for watching.